Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little get ready with me using some new products. As you guys can see, this look is nothing special, but I did want to show you guys some new products that I've picked up recently and I still need to haul. If you guys want to see what products I use, then let's go. Alright guys, so we're just gonna get ready today. I did a review on the Gucci foundation and hopefully it's up before this one, but I wanted to wear it again today to get a better feel for how it wears, because I had on a super hydrating moisturizer and I did use a mattifying primer, but I just felt like the vibe was off. And so I wanted to see really what this foundation can do, and I wanted to try it with a sponge. So I'm going to go in with my Juno & Co sponge and see what this bad boy does. So already I'm seeing that I like the coverage more with a sponge. I'm going to take one more pump and work that onto my problem areas, which are the cheeks. The shade I'm wearing in this foundation is 260W. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this Cover FX, I think it's dark peach, just peach, corrector. And I'm going to use that with my finger just to try and mask these crazy under eyes. Yesterday when I wore it, I did use a corrector and I did use the Makeup Forever concealer, but for whatever reason, it didn't wear or cover as well. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use a different concealer today. So something isn't playing right with this foundation, or I don't know if it was the corrector, because it's peeling. So like I have these little peeling things on my face here. For my concealer, I'm going to be using NARS Creamy Concealer in Ginger. I used this the other day and I was like, I forgot how much I liked you. To be honest with you guys, I remember this being drier than what it is. And I'm like, yeah, that's why they call you creamy. Because you are. And I was pleasantly surprised because I remember using it and being like, oh, this is really dry in comparison to some of the other concealers that I was using. So back to loving it. So something I didn't do yesterday was set my makeup, and I'm going to do that now. I used the Gucci powder yesterday, which I will use again today, but I did not bake, is what I meant to say, my face. And with this foundation, I do think that you need to be able to bake it, especially if you're going to be using heavier skincare. And by heavier, I mean creamier, rich skincare. I do feel that it definitely set better than yesterday, but as a precaution, I am going to do what I would do with any foundation and really press the powder into my skin and just let it sit. The other thing was yesterday I was unsure of the match. I felt that it was just a little too warm, but looking at it today, I think it's a good match. Again, I don't have to bring it down into my neck, which is always a really good indication of the match. And I really like the way that it looks. I think that it is a beautiful product, and I do think that it just gives you really natural looking skin. So for my face, I'm going to be using this Bronzing Powder Duo by Bobbi Brown, and it's in the shade medium. I actually just got this. It was on sale and I got my discount on top of it. It's something I've always really appreciated about Bobbi Brown. I'm going to take this shade here and use that to just contour my face a little bit. These shades look more like blushes, and when I saw them I was like, oh hell no, that's not going to work for me. But they do. They look just like what a little bit of a sunburn looks like. I've tried mixing them And I feel like when I mix them, it looks muddy, so I won't be mixing today. But this definitely surprised me, and I like the way that it looks. Something else that I purchased on sale and got my discount on was the Bobbi Brown Warm Glow. It's from the same collection. I think it was last year's summer collection. Little highlighter. I really do like these highlighters. I own a few of them. But as you guys can see, like this one is a little deeper. But when you set it with setting spray, it just looks beautiful. It ends up working out. Initially, I thought that it was this that was making me look muddy, but now I see that it's the highlighter. But again, when I set it, it looks good. So for my blush, I'm going to be using this cheek shade in Emotion by Chantecaille. It is the one with the bumblebee. And let's do this. That is an overspray, so as soon as I dip into it with my brush, it goes away. These are really beautiful blushes, and to be honest with you guys, I was so surprised when I used them to see how long they wore. Like, when I got them in, I'm like, wow, these are super tiny. And, you know, powder blush doesn't tend to wear all that great on me, but these stayed on. Like, it was the end of the day, my makeup was coming off in the center of the face. I looked, I was like, hello, blush. So pretty, I love it. All right, guys, so I didn't have a new mascara, which right now I'm so happy with either my NARS Extreme Climax or my Charlotte Tilbury Push-Up that I don't see anything else really just catching my attention. But for lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Bobbi Brown Flame lipstick, and as you guys can see, it's a beautiful red orange. This is one of their Luxe lipsticks, and it is really creamy and pigmented and smooth. But for me, I'm not really big on the satin stuff. Let me tell you that right now my lips are so dry that I can appreciate the satin creamy finish. But I do like my lipsticks to be a little bit more long wearing, so I'm going to apply it, blot, and then leave it. All right, so I've used my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray because that is my favorite setting spray. And now that it's set, I'm going to take my Gucci powder, and I'm going to use a large fluffy brush and just dust that all over my face. And here is the final look. It's very easy, there's nothing to it, and honestly, you're just getting a glimpse of some new products that I have been enjoying. So this tutorial was not about teaching you anything new. This is my standard basic look, but they're new products. I have to tell you guys that I have really been enjoying these things, and I am happy that the Gucci foundation and powder are working out for me because I was going nuts trying to figure out what my shade was. I love everything about this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And this headband is by far one of my favorite things ever. This has been my go-to for days where I don't want my hair in my face, but I want to wear it down. Even if I were to throw it up in a little ponytail and then just put this on, it's just really cute. It makes it look like you've made more of an effort to do your hair versus, you know, not really doing much. This headband is from my friend's boutique. You guys can follow her on Instagram or check her out. It's Shop Sienna Hope. Oh, she has really great things. This is one of my favorite purchases. And I mean, it's just so cute, and it turns any basic outfit into just something that's a little more fun and, you know, polished. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below if there's anything that you guys want to see in my channel. Let me know down below if there's anything that you guys want me to film, review, try. I have other things that I need to haul for you guys, and I promise I'll work on that probably today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below.
I look like my mommy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.